So today we have the incredible Krasnogorsk 2, which you all know, 16mm camera in incredible condition with a filter, great clean lens, as you can see, perfectly working exposure as well, as you can see. Focus works great. Okay, I'll take that off for a second so I can show you better. The camera is in outstanding condition, perfectly working, well working light meter with the old school type of a battery, all frame rates working perfectly. As seen, the lens is in great condition as well. So let's check it out. It's a wind-up camera, so you don't need any batteries to shoot, with loads of frame rates, 8 frames per second, 12, 16, 24, and I'll do very fast the 32 and the 48. 32, 48, and then I'll go back to 16. Okay, let's check it out on the inside as well. This version is with extended mic as well. It does fit a roll as well. As you can see, perfectly working. And once the spring is out, it stops. You need to wind it up again. Okay, once again, so I can show you. The camera is in outstanding condition, as you can see. We put the lid on, and I'll take off the lens so I can show you. Exchangeable lenses, as you can see, clean lens, as shown earlier, perfectly working. Okay, on the inside, very clean. Show you that as well. Perfectly working light meter, as said. It's the best entry camera for 16mm, very well known camera. This one in particular in great condition. Good looking viewfinder. So somebody is gonna enjoy this incredible Krasnogorsk 2 16mm camera. Thank you for your time.